Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about 5 important queries which is very common and basic in SQL used for the creation, updation and deleting of the databases and the table. Previously, we have posted videos about what is database, what is DBMS and how to install the SQL server on our system. If you have missed to watch, no worries. We have provided the video links in our description box and also I have provided the playlist link in our iCard. You can watch it for your reference. Let's start with today's video. The first thing is to create a database. As I mentioned, the keyword is create database. I'm going to name it as students. To execute this query, you can select the particular line and click on execute, or else you can press F5 in your keyboard to execute it, which means this students database is already created. To verify it is created or not, you can see in the left hand side in the database, if you see there is a database created as students, right? I'm going to create a table. So the same create table, the name of the table is details, where they can able to fill their details. That what I'm going to give is I'm going to give the details as first will be their roll number, roll underscore number. It should be in the type of integer, comma. The second one will be their name. It should be in the varchar, which is my character. The limitation should be of 100 words. If we not give any limitation between the bracket, it means it automatically gives the n number of characters you can able to enter into the name column. The third one which I am going to give is their class, which class they are studying. So ideally it will be in the number of integer. The last will be their score in as a overall marks. So I am going to give it as an integer. I am closing the bracket and let me execute this particular line alone. It says my particular command is completed successfully and the completion time is this time which I am recording. After creating the table, we need to insert the values, right? I am going to use the command called insert into. So insert into. Now the thing will be my table name, the details, right? Details. And I can give the column name, which is my roll number and name and class and score. Close the bracket, and in this columns what I need to enter is the values, right? So type as values. You have to give it in the same order. So first will be my roll number and the name will be my Adam. So ensure that you are giving the string values in the within the codes, and the class which he is studying is 5th standard, and the score he obtained is out of 500 400. So this is the way I am going to enter the values. Click on execute and you can say it says one row affected. Now I want to check this detail how it is updated, right? So for that, to retrieve the data values from the table, what query we are going to use is select star. Star will ensure that it will take all the details from that particular table. From where I want to get the value, I am going to get it from the details table. Select this particular details and click on execute. So you can see that details whichever we have updated, it is getting automatically added into the table, right? If I want to edit the updated value into the statement, so what I have to do is, for an example, for this Adam, his mark was not 400, it is 440. So in that case, I can use it update query to update the value. So update what I have to update? Update the details table. In that, set my score is equal to 440. Where I have to do? Where name is equal to Adam. So ideally what we are doing is, wherever we are seeing the name as Adam, we need to change the score values. Why we got this error is because we are having a comma in next to the score column. So I'm just selecting this particular line alone and executing the query, and you can say this table is completed. So let's run this details again and see, and you can see the score of Adam is updated to 440. So to delete the details completely from the table, what I have to do? Delete. From where I have to delete? I have to delete it from the details table, right? Delete from details, execute, and if you can just check it again, there is no details updated. All the details whichever we have updated is got deleted. Now I don't want this table also. I want to remove it from the database. What I can do? You have to use the method called drop. Table name is details. Table details, and execute this query. Your complete table will be removed. If I suppose want to execute this one, we will get an error saying that invalid object name. So hope you have understood this concept, how to use the basic queries, which is my select, create, insert into, and update. If you have any doubts in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.